In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a verified Amazon KDP account in Nigeria. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I remain your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and just like I said, I'll be showing you how to create an Amazon Kindle publishing account right here in Nigeria. A very verified account that you can use to publish your books and get paid in dollars. But before we go fully into the video, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, let's go into my laptop and I'm going to show you how to create a verified Amazon KDP account today. Okay, so in order to open an Amazon KDP account, just go to your browser. As you can see right here, I'm on my browser, and you just type kdp.amazon.com like this. I'll just go to the website. So as you can see right here, you are logged into the kdp.amazon.com website. If you check it out right here, if you like, you can watch this video to just understand it much more better. But right now, I'll just click on sign up because I don't have an account. So if you check out right here, this is sign in with your Amazon login. So now they're telling me to sign in instead of sign up. You understand? I'm not trying to sign in, I'm trying to sign up. So I just come here and click on create your KDP account because I'm new. Then now I'll put in my first name, my email, my password, and set it up. So I'm just going to add everything here accordingly. Okay, as you can see right here, I've filled up the details and I'm going to click on create your KDP account. So right now, I have been redirected to this page to solve a simple puzzle that will ensure that I am a human. So I just solved this puzzle right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is the puzzle that they have given me to solve right here. So I'm just going to take my time to solve this puzzle. It can really be stressful, but just take your time to understand it. So as you can see, they say pick the shadow that matches the icon at the top of the image. So I'll just take my time to do that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've solved this puzzle, and right now they are going to send an OTP to my email for me to verify my account. So I'm going to check my email address. Okay, so as you can see, this is the OTP. I'm just going to copy it and I'll paste it here and I'll click on verify. Then right now they're telling me to add a phone number. So this phone number is supposed to be my personal phone number. So right now, I am going to add my phone number right here. So I've selected Nigeria as my country and I'm going to add my phone number right here. So I've added my phone number. Ensure that the phone number you're putting is an active phone number because they are going to send an OTP code to that number for you to verify it. So I'll be expecting my OTP to be sent to my phone. So they have sent it, so I'm just going to type it here. So this is the OTP and I'm going to click on create your Amazon account. So as you can see, my Amazon account is almost ready. So this is just a policy you just need to read. Just take your time to read it. Don't just rush it. Just once you do, you take your time. Then you just read it through. Then once you are done, you just click on agree. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Amazon KDP account. I've created it, but this is just the first step. So you need to now set up your account so they can verify it for you to start creating and publishing your books. So if you check out right here, your account information is incomplete. Update now. So just click on this update right now, and you'll be brought over to this page for you to begin to fill in your details. Ensure you fill in all these details effectively so that you don't make any mistake that will get your account not approved properly. So I'll start from the first one, business type. I am an individual. Then I'll put my date of birth. I'll put my country. So I've added my date of birth, then I'll select my country. You understand? So I'm going to select Nigeria as my country. Since I am in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, you select Ghana. If you're in South Africa, you select South Africa. If you're in Mali, anywhere you are, just select your country. Then now, fill in your legal address right here. You understand? So just fill in your legal address, then you set it up. Okay, so once you have selected your country, then you fill in these other details, your address and your legal name. So if you check out here, your legal name, they say is the name that you'll be using for your publishing company. So let's say you don't want to use your name right here, your real name on Amazon, you can just use another name. You understand? So as for me, I'll be using this name. Then I'm going to fill in my address. So if you check out right here, I've already automatically added my address, but your address will have your first address, then you have your city, then you have your postal code. If you do not know how to get your postal code, it's very easy. Just go to Google and search for anywhere you are living. So let's say you are living in Asaba, just search for Asaba postal code. So as you can see it right here, then you are going to see this number. You understand? Anywhere you are living, it's going to show for you. Just copy it. This first one should be Asaba postal code. And even in Asaba, we'll have different places. Like this place, we have Abagana Street. You see the postal code right here. Just copy it and go and paste it. But as for me, I've already added my own postal code. Then my phone number, I'm going to add my phone number right now. So my phone number is complete. Then now the state should be your state. So I'm going to add the state I am right now. So I'm done. And if you check out right here, ensure you cross-check it properly before you move to the next point, so you don't miss out on any option. So I like what I've put right here, so I'm just going to continue. So now this part is where they say getting paid, connecting your bank account to your Amazon KDP account. So if you check out right here, they say provide your bank information to receive electronic royalties. Then now, where is your bank? Understand? You need to now set up your bank to be in the United States. Why is that? Because Amazon KDP cannot pay Nigerians directly to their bank accounts, and now you need to have a US bank account for you to receive payments from Amazon KDP. So how do you have a US bank account? You need to have a Pioneer account for you to have a US bank account for free. And to get a Pioneer account, if you do not have anyone, check on the description of this video. I've created a video on how you can actually set up a verified Pioneer account. Then you just come and put it up following the informations right here. But for me, I'll sign into my own Pioneer account and copy my details. So if you check out right here, this is my Pioneer account, and if I want to copy my US bank account, what I just need to do is come to this place that say get paid, and you can see request for payments or receive payments. But right here on the Amazon KDP account, just choose United States. You understand? Choose United States because that is the account you have. Then now, account holder name and all these details, just take your time and go to your Pioneer accounts and click on receiving accounts. Then you go and select USA, then just click on view details. And if you check out here, these are all the details. You can begin to copy all of them and paste right here into this Amazon KDP request options here. So right now, copy it directly from here. Don't stress yourself of just writing it individually. So right now, they say account holder name. This should be your name. You understand? This should be your name, the name on your Pioneer account. If you check out here, look at it. Everything is here. If you look at it, the beneficiary name is my name. I'm just going to copy it and paste right here. This is it. Then I come over now to the next one. Ensure you leave it on type, leave it on checking. Leave it on checking. Don't put savings, leave it on checking. Then now account number, go back and copy your account number. If you check out here, this is your account number. Copy it and paste. Then you see re-enter account number, you enter it twice. Then now the next one is your routing number. Go back to here and you see this is your routing number. You just copy it. Then you paste it right here again. Then you scroll down. So if you check out, they are just showing you some details right here. So ensure you cross-check properly and be sure that you have put everything well before you click on add. You understand? So if you check out everything about mine is correct. So once I'm sure everything is correct, I just click on add. Then if you check out right here, my bank account has been added to my KDP account. You understand? So my US bank account has been added successfully. Then now this point is to complete your tax information. Just tap on it. Then you see save and continue. You understand? Save and continue. So if you check out right here now, they say the tax information interview. This is about you. So now just take your time slowly on this page. Don't rush because they will require some things from you. Now, what is your tax classification? Yes, you are an individual. So you just choose individual. You understand? You are one person except you are a business. Then now, are you based in the USA? No. You understand? Just click on no. Then now, are you acting as an intermediary agent or another person receiving payment on the... You just click no. You understand? Because you are receiving payment by yourself. So right now they say tax identity information. So right now here is where you should use your real name. You understand? This place I just put as my publishing name. I'm going to put my real name there because that is the name that will reflect on my ID card. So now I'll select my country. I'll go down to Nigeria. So now this is my permanent address. Yes, and this permanent address is also on my ID card. Okay, so you see this point which says TIN value. This means that if you have a tax ID number, you can add it up right here. And if you check out, they have the one for the US and the one for the non-US. So as for you, you are supposed to choose non-US. So if you have your taxpayer's ID in Nigeria, like your TIN number in Nigeria, you can put it up right here, or probably your NIN or your voter's card, any government issued ID card, you can put it up right here. But let's say you don't have any of these and you still want to register for your Amazon KDP account, you can still do so. You understand? Just click on this check mark right here that says I have a non-US TIN and just uncheck it. And if you check out right here, there are some options for you. So you should be selecting the first one, which says the country where I am liable to pay tax does not issue TINs to its residents. Just select that one if you do not have a TIN. If you have a TIN, NIN or voter's card, you can put it up right there and just select I have a non-US TIN. But if you do not have it, that's not an issue. You just click on these points and just click on continue. So once you are done with it, you make sure everything is okay for you right here. Then you just click on continue. So I'll click on continue. So if you scroll down, if you see there are some stuff you need to read right here, just read all of them and click I certify that I have the capacity to sign up, and just type your signature. Your signature is your full name. Just type it up right here. Then once you are done and you are sure that everything is okay, all you just need to do is click on save and preview. So as for me, everything is okay. I'm just going to click on save and preview. Then if you check out right here, everything is okay. You understand? Certification of foreign beneficiaries and the rest. So if I scroll down, everything is fully okay for me. I'll check my name, check everything. It's okay for me. I just click on continue. You understand? So I just click on this submit form. So if you check out right here, validated, your tax information has been received and successfully validated. So I'm just going to click on exit interview. So once you are done, you see everything is ready. You see my bank is set up, my tax ID currently completed July 16th, and everything is ready. I just click on save. As you can see, successful. As you can see, everything is okay. I'll just go back to my Amazon account. So as you can see right here, I'm already here and I'm ready to start publishing my books. So that is it on how to create a verified Amazon KDP account in Nigeria. So ensure you use it to set up your own, then you start going further to create your books. I'll be dropping content on how you can start creating books to start making money with Amazon KDP for yourself. Ensure you check out the channel. Okay guys, so that was it on how to create a verified Amazon KDP account right here in Nigeria. And I believe you enjoyed that video and you will go over to start creating your own verified Amazon KDP account. So that being said, if you enjoyed the video and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you get notified when I drop amazing content just like this. And also don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video so it can grow on the YouTube algorithm and people like you who need it will get to see it. So that being said, I'm going to see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.